I'm so excited to show you my latest haircut using Mains by Mel's Pigtail method. It's easily the easiest haircut I've ever given myself. Step 1 is to start with washed hair and add in plenty of leave-in conditioner. Mel says there's lots of brushing and this helps to detangle and hydrate. Step 2 is to part your hair where you would normally part it, and if you have bangs, section and clip away. You can pause the video here to read specifically about cutting the bangs. Then you're going to split the rest of your hair evenly into 2 parts down the middle. You want to put your hair in pigtails. You're going to place them evenly so that your layers will be even. The higher up, the shorter the layers at the top. Make sure your hair parting is even and smooth. You can see that mine is not, which probably is why part of my hair looked a little wonky at the end, but I was easily able to fix it. After you have your hair parted and smooth, you're going to brush it out horizontally, making sure it remains smooth. You're going to hold it out horizontally, and then you're going to cut the hair vertically. You can see that I'm holding it out horizontally, and then I'm going to take the hair that I want to cut off, which in my case is about 3 inches, and I hold it vertically, and I cut it. And then I'm going to cut the same amount off of the other side as well. And then I'm going to check for evenness to make sure that I have cut it the same on both sides. Checking, always checking for evenness. The next thing that you do is to cut the sides. With your body facing forward, turn your head towards your shoulder, brushing all of the hair from one side down and over the front of your chest. Grab the hair behind the brush, and then you can cut to make sure that it's even, and repeat on both sides. Check to make sure that it's even with pulling the pieces down to make sure that each side is as even as possible. And then you're going to style and dry your hair and check again for any unevenness or any missed pieces. The front looks great in my opinion. I'm loving how soft and fresh it looks. The back, however, I'm not sure what exactly was the reason for the V shape, but it's not something that I want. So I decided to go ahead and separate out the top layer of my hair, and then I put the bottom part in a ponytail so that I could make sure to get it all as even as possible, as quickly as possible. And then I just cut the bottom off a couple of inches to even that up, which you can see me doing here. If I hadn't done that, I would have had really wispy flyaway ends. After gathering all of my hair, I just cut the bottom until I felt like I was reaching a general thickness, knowing that the hair would appear more thicker and not have any of the scraggly pieces. So I'm just trying to make sure that I get it as even as possible, which is a little bit challenging whenever your hair is behind your head. And just pulled it around to the other side to make sure that I didn't have any wonky pieces, which I kind of did. So just trim that away and then take it out and check it out. I'm very happy with this haircut. I think it's super easy to do. I think that if I'm a little more careful next time, I'll be able to get an even better result. More careful with my parting, making sure I have enough conditioner in my hair so it remains smooth. Just being more diligent, but with curly hair you can get away with a lot. And you can see there, boom, it's a lot thicker all of a sudden. I hope that you enjoyed my version of Mains by Mel's Pigtail method, and I think you'll agree that it was really easy and it did the job. If you give it a try, let me know. And most certainly, check out Mains by Mel's tutorial. She's the definite champion at this. Lots of love to you. Talk to you later.